you. Give me 3 animals.
The last one.
No, any animals. Just
Okay.
3 animals. Okay. 1,
2,
2,
Giraffe, pig,
3.
parrot,
5,
Okay, see you. See you. You very
I
good.
haven't yet.
That one.
I also want yes.
What is cucumber? This is your favorite thing.
Why did I
Okay, that is first, eh?
Cucumber, yay! Cucumber, cucumber. You always her favorite food, Mom.
Don't eat this.
Can you don't cover it?
Yeah,
Or let's taste, okay?
Yeah.
Or let's taste, okay?
No, cannot.
See you. Do unicorns fart rainbows? Yes or no? 1,
Does
2,
unicorn fight rainbow?
3,
You have to talk.
4, 5. Yes or no?
You have to talk.
What do you mean that?
Yes!
You did? They fight rainbows, ah.
But Mama already finished.
Oh, you cannot eat, eh. You got the answer, eh. You can eat now. Okay, next. Let it to eat.
The next.
Hindi ko rin nila si egg.
Me? Oh, who is egg?
Who is egg? Kami who? Ate si Chen. Okay, Ate si
I
Chen.
don't want the egg.
Palibig ka, Ate Toned, ha? Okay, si Chen.
Okay.
One.
Okay. Open.
That one from the table.
What open?
Binalik.
Here.
No, you show now.
Nah. You stop.
Then show lah.
You can show what?
Long bean.
Oh, don't do
Oh,
it.
yay. This one is my favorite.
I got
My
durian.
favorite, this one.
Okay, si Chen, who is your... Ano, this one, I want to ask this to Ate Toned.
What?
Okay, si Chen, do you pick your nose and rub it on the wall when no one is looking? Yes or no? That's
No.
kaya?
No.
Do you pick your nose, pick your nose and rub
Contact
it
somebody.
on the wall? Huh? When no one is looking? Yes or no?
No.
Don't kaya?
No, it's
Cannot
just
lie
I
if you lie.
because of the question.
Okay.
No.
Okay, you can eat the veggie.
Next. Auntie Jeanette. Auntie Jeanette. Auntie Jeanette. Auntie Jeanette. Auntie Jeanette.
Ate Toned? Okay, Ate Toned.
This
No.
right here. Do this.
I don't like that.
Open.
No.
What's
One
that?
day.
Neither guard.
You're so, you're so lucky, Ate.
Understand the
cry.
table.
Okay, Theo, sit down, Theo.
Oh wait. Auntie Jeanette, oh wait.
This is the question,
I still wanna.
What's the funniest sound you can make? Give me 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah.
What was that?
Any sound what? It's okay. You just next. Okay, si Chen. Si Chen.
Can I ask Papa something?
Oh my god. It tastes like wraps.
This one. Thanks.
Longgan? Okay.
Okay. It's nice. I like longan.
What,
No.
what is the worst smell in the world?
Fort.
Give me three. What is the worst smell in the world?
What?
Give me three. One,
Fort.
two,
Three.
three,
Shoes.
four.
Socks. Many socks.
It's okay lah. Anything. Okay, next. Who is this lucky one? Ate Ton.
Oh my
It's Ate
god.
Tonet. Okay, Ate Tonet. Go. Choose ate.
He's so soft. Look. You can look. Where's the bag?
Sesame egg. Carrot.
Carrot. Okay, carrot. Okay, Ate Tonet.
Oh my god. Like it all.
Okay, wait. Who is your crush?
Oh my gosh.
One,
I think
Two.
that's it.
three, four.
Throw me in it.
Papa, can you give me the small one?
You eat? You want to eat?
Mama,
Yes,
eat
yes,
it.
yes. It's your turn. Let's see you.
Ay, dami sim.
Okay, see you.
Oh my god.
You don't like carrots? I like.
Egg, 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 egg.
Let me see.
Please the egg.
Broccoli.
Okay, bro.
Broccoli is my favorite.
Okay, wait.
This is my favorite. Yay! I know I love it.
Where do babies came from? Where do babies came from?
I don't know.
You don't know? Huh?
Hey, Mama.
Oh, I know eating.
I know you can tell me.
And the babies came from
Did that come out?
Okay. Okay. Next. Teachen. Okay,
What?
Teachen. Go. Just one.
What is this? Shanghai green.
Oh, this one. Shanghai Green. Give me your three favorite animals.
Okay.
One,
Cheetah, lion, and
three,
parrot.
four. Favorite animal na. Ano? Teaching See you. Okay,
Okay.
see you.
Mama, can I eat?
You eat now.
I want to eat
Wait,
one.
food. You eat now.
With the egg, 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 with the egg.
Egg.
Egg! Egg!
I don't like. I don't like.
Then you have to answer this one. Okay?
And I will eat the egg.
Why you haven't eat the broccoli? You.
I want to eat them.
Okay. This one. Give me two. Oh, nakalagay dyan na. Put it is two, not three. Okay? This is very easy, Lala. You know this one. Give me two fruits. Start with letter P. P. One. Two.
Pear.
Hoy!
Three.
I don't know.
Four.
Pear.
Five. Eight.
I don't know.
We have papaya. You always eat papaya. What? Why you angry? Papaya.
He's gonna cry.
Pear. And then pineapple, right? Right? That's very easy. What? Just bite a bit. Like that. Okay? Very little alam.
I want to.
Very little one.
Mm.
Can this one This is only just eat and swallow. Okay?
Eat them.
Okay.
Go girl! He's
Ate Tonet.
Oh my god.
This one,
Apples.
oh.
B.
Just
Mango.
This.
Bingo!
Is it?
Yes!
Let me see. Okay, we are finishing on. Give 3 drinks that we always drink, ate. 1,
Coke, Milo, and
3,
beer.
4, 5.
Cocoa.
Wala.
Sensei watermelon shake.
Oh. Okay, the last, this is the last one. Oy! See you! See you is the lucky girl. Very good.
I think it's this one.
Okay, you if mama give you $50, right? If mama will give you $50, right? What would you spend on it? What
are you gonna buy?
No, what are you gonna buy? If mama give you money, what you gonna buy? Okay, 1, anything you want. 2,
Any toys? Toys also can.
toys, anything you want. Toys. 3,
Only one.
this is the last one.
One word.
I don't know. I haven't yet. I don't know.
Then you check that one.
Spinach.
Oh, then
Baby spinach.
baby spinach is this one.
Yay.
Yay.
Next.
No more. Yung egg lang pala ang magpapaiyak sa kanya.
It's okay. I want to eat egg.
Go.
Hide.
So guys, this is the end of our video. Hope you liked it.
Don't you?
Okay.
And hope you subscribe and comment and share.
Don't forget to hit the notification bell. With that, thank you and hope to see you again in our next video. Bye. May one over.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,